clear the table. What we have. Where's the other one?
On your lap.
Time to unbox. Okay, what should we start with?
I feel like we have to save the best for last.
Which is what?
This. So.
Oh, the hipper. Okay.
We'll do this one.
Okay, you do that one, and I'll do candy. I'm gonna open up the candy one.
And I'm gonna open up the flower one, which
I forget which ones I have.
I want the rose lion.
I kind of want the popcorn.
I want the rose lion. That's like really cute.
This is behind the scenes.
No way. I'm like so scared of getting a Robbie.
I know, me too.
Robbie?
That's what it's called, the bad one.
Which is really like expensive actually.
It's actually rare but bad.
Oh my god.
It's rare and ugly. It's the ugliest one. Definitely not a Robbie.
I gave you that one.
He's decapitated. Oh my god, it's so funny. Oh, cute. Wait, this one is.
The travel from Japan, like, killed it.
Yeah, we'll have to put some glue in there.
Did I just give it to you?
I think we did give this one to me.
Yeah.
Okay, well now you can have this one. So these are our first two.
I'm obsessed with this. Like,
Yeah, really
That's
cute.
adorable, actually.
That is
That could
cute.
have matched your new Kelly.
That's literally the color of the Kelly.
oh my god. Is it beautiful?
Okay.
Sagittarius.
Okay, you do that and I'll do this.
Okay.
And then you can open the hipper. So I have a regular animal series version 3,
And I have a dog time series with
which
like
I think
sweaters.
is rare.
I want.
Oh yeah, I want
this one.
I like the rhinoceros. I have the snake.
I want the Pomeranian.
Oh my god.
Literally bear. We haven't done one.
I know we haven't done one more.
Yeah, I remember we did a video a while back.
Is it a Robbie? I hope its head's still
You're giving
on.
me, like flashbacks. Your face.
It's kind of cute actually.
It's actually really cute.
Kind of cute.
Oh my god, I think it's
I didn't know what it was. No, that's cute. This is a parrot, I think.
Yeah.
Still
That is
struggling.
cute.
I think it's adorable.
I got a secret. It's a secret.
What does that mean?
It means it's like the
limited
rarest one. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's right there. It's a macaw. Wait, it's a French bulldog.
That's
really
It's like
cute.
Meech.
Oh.
It's like Meech. What does it say? Ruff, ruff.
Ruff.
Those are really cute. Okay, show them.
You want this one from each?
Maybe. Okay, now Zahra's final finale is her fruit hipper for her new bag. Whatever.
Okay, so we have the hipper, which is like, it sticks onto like,
Which one is your favorite? Which one do you want the most?
oh, I have to take off the plastic first. Probably the mushroom would be really cute.
The mushroom is so cute.
Okay.
Wait. I mean, they're all really cute.
Okay, good news is you can't get it Robbie.
Okay. Just a secret. Yeah. No Robbie, please.
All right.
Second thought.
Oh my god. Who's it gonna be?
Where's the little opening? Oh, here it is. It's an apple. I already.
Aww.
This is so cute.
It's so cute.
This is so cute. No.
Oh my god.
This is adorable.
Adorable.
So you're gonna put it on your phone?
Yeah, I'll probably put it on my phone.
So cute.
Oh my god.
Well, thanks guys. That was our Sonny Angel unboxing. Bye.
Bye.